Hi, welcome to our tutorial on how to fit standard pronged magnetic clasps. We'll start off by getting our material. You can mark out where the prongs are going to slot through on your material and cut some holes. Now I should have some holes cut into my material. I can take one end of my magnetic clasps and push the prongs through the holes that I've made. The prongs should come out of the back here. This is a female end, so I'm going to use a male end base die. We'll put that into the machine, and you'll only need to use one top die that we have here. It won't change based on what side you're doing. We can push this into place. We'll take our metal backing, and that should slide over the top. We should just be able to push down. So it ends up flattened like that. Change the base over to our female base die. And we'll do the same again. We'll take our male end and we'll push the prongs through the holes that we've made in our material so they stick out of the back. We'll take the washer again and we'll pop that just on the back of the prongs, and then we'll push down so that's nice and flat on both ends, and that should just now snap together.